All right, good morning everybody. It is our checkout day, but I wanted to show you where we stayed. So we stayed at Coronado Springs in the Gran Destino Tower in a standard room, king bed room. So let me show you around. So we're staying in room 817 in case you like this room and you want to request it. And the 8 does mean that we are on the 8th floor. So let's go inside. All right, so as soon as you come in, you enter this little hallway. Bathroom is on the left-hand side with a barn door that separates the main living area from the bathroom. I'll show you that in just a second. To your right, you have this ginormous closet, which is pretty cool because when you open the door, the light does turn on, so you can see everything that's going on in here. There is a full-length mirror. Full-length mirror here. Whoop. Just really nice. I don't think all resorts come with literally a 10-foot mirror. Then we have some extra pillow and blanket up here for the couch, I believe. Hangers, ironing board, a safe, an iron, also a luggage rack, and then some additional storage below. Close that up. So plenty of storage if you are here for a long-term stay. Then over here we have a little bench that can also be used for luggage storage, a really long desk counter area because Coronado Springs is a, convention resort. So in case you need to do any work, you have a little desk here with a desk lamp. So I can show that. Woo, nice and bright. And it comes with plugs attached as well. You have a full Keurig coffee maker with Joffrey's coffee, of course, and everything that you would need for that, including cups, lids, an ice bucket, also some additional storage. So if you have work items that you need to store out of the way, you have some extra storage there. A nice huge TV. Also, all of their enhanced cleaning efforts here, they tell you about. In every room, the remote is covered in plastic, cleaned. Also, some additional storage here, some drawers. So, pretty large drawers if you like to unpack. And then also a mini fridge, which I don't think does every resort come with a mini fridge? I don't know. I don't think the value resorts come with one, but you have one at the moderate resorts. Then we have a nice little seating area, a chair, a lamp for reading or for charging your devices. There is a plug down below. Really beautifully themed, very modern, but also keeps with that Spanish style of Coronado Springs. Some little end tables that do come apart. So if you needed, like, I don't know, a separate table, you have one at the back. This is the view from this room. So again, this is a standard room view, but it's not bad. I mean, yeah, you're looking at the parking lot, but the bus station is right down here. Just kind of cool, so you can see when the buses are arriving. You also get a view of Hollywood Studios, so there's the Tower of Terror, there's Galaxy's Edge. You also get a view of Blizzard Beach right over here. And that's the rest of the Coronado Springs Resort. On that side, the only thing I would say is that if you have young ones, you may not want to stay on this side of the resort, because when the buses come and they need to help an ECV get onto the bus, you can hear the beeping through the window. So it can be a little bit loud, and the buses do run an hour before park opening to an hour through park closing. So it could be from anywhere from 7 a.m. until like 12 a.m. depending on the time of the year and when the parks are opening. But still, a pretty beautiful view. I'm going to close this though, because I don't need everyone at the bus looking at us up here. Over top of the couch are 4 decorative mirrors. Couch, which I believe might be a pull-out couch, but we didn't like investigate. I don't think it is. So we just have extra blankets for, whatever reason. Telephone, lamp. The lamp does have USB charging ports, which is really nice. And we have some additional, again, storage right in here. Inside the table. Here is our king bed. Like I said, this is our last day, so the room is lived in, but we greatly enjoyed our stay. This is an ear that was once a Mickey head when we came in. There's some additional storage below the bed, so you can store your suitcases down there. And then here's the second bedside table, again with some USB charging ports and regular electric outlets and additional storage here. Another almost completely full-length mirror. Hi. So that's really nice. So 2 full-length mirrors, a digital thermostat. Don't judge us. Yes, we have the heat on. Okay, it's fine. All right, and then we come to the bathroom. Hello again. A huge vanity mirror, plus, your makeup mirror over here. Double vanity. Additional storage below. In here. Let's see. So some additional storage in there. And your hair dryer is found down here. You also get the H2O beauty products, which is great. Everybody loves those. Here was the shower. Beautiful, beautiful shower. Glass door. It's really nice. And it also has a waterfall feature. So if you're into that, but also just a regular shower head that does come off. And then one of these drying racks. So again, you pull that across and you hook it up right here, and you can hang up your wet towels or wet bathing suits or ponchos or whatever you need. But yeah, really beautiful shower. Has a nice little area for storage for your own toiletries, but also you get the standard H2O products in their little squeeze bottles, and again, has been cleaned. Okay. So some hooks to hang up wet towels and other things, right? Again, this barn door does close to give you a little bit of privacy. Say you're getting ready earlier than your companions or companion. You can have a little bit of privacy in here. And then the actual toilet is in its own separate bedroom, separate room. Okay. A little bit of art that kind of reflects the overall feel of the Gran Destino, and you'll see this artwork everywhere, even on the carpets and things. And then this is a sliding door as well. Sliding doors, not our favorite, I think, but you know, it does save space, I guess. So you have that. Yeah, so I think that is everything. We do have our luggage over here, but you do have this nice space right as you walk into the hallway to put luggage and things like that. So overall, that is our room. So again, this was room 817 at the Gran Destino Tower at Coronado Springs, and it was a standard room view with a king bed. So yeah, if this is something that looked interesting to you, it is one of the newer resorts. It just opened, I think, in 2019, so relatively new. Has all of the modern conveniences you expect from a refurbed room. So you can always request this, especially through the Touring Plans website. You can request a room up to 3 days in advance. You may not get the exact room, but maybe something close. So if you like this room, maybe you could stay here. All right, so we are going to wrap it up here. We're gonna head to the parks for our last day. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and let us know that you appreciate this content. If you want to see more videos like this, or you want to see more of our adventures, please subscribe to our channel. We'll let Stephanie be in this part. We hope you have a great day and keep on wishing.